Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a Bronze Age pendant using this bronze pendant and some leather cord. You will see that this is very simple to make necklace, because you do not need any tools at all. You only need the pendant and the leather cord. So first of all, I will find the middle of the leather cord. So I will superpose the two ends of my leather cord. I will put the pendant away for the moment, and then I will establish the middle point of my leather cord. Now I will put the leather cord, the loop of the leather cord, through my pendant. And now I will take the other end of my leather cord and put it through this loop this way. And now I will pull on the cord this way, and now I have attached the pendant to the cord. And now at the other end of my cord I will simply take the cord and create an overhand knot, a simple knot, this way, and I have closed the necklace. And now our necklace is finished. As you can see, this is a long necklace, so it is not short around the neck, but it is a long necklace, and it is a necklace in the style of the Bronze Age. So as you can see, you can make this type of historical, let's say, necklace in a matter of minutes, and you do not need any tools at all. And as you can see, the necklace is very beautiful. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and thanks for watching.